license has the gaming area demarcated for offshore vessels. It is there for land, but not on the ships. So, which means the whole vessel is considered to be
Considered as a casino.
Yes.
But if I'm not mistaken, the license is charged as per the square
Not for the
area.
ships.
Square area.
Yeah.
Based on the area of gaming floor is the license fees charged. So they have X area that they pay, but there are other areas which they have restaurants and upper deck, like they've got your casino, right? They have an upper deck where they have parties and all these functions and all. Those kids and all are allowed, at least in the past we have seen.
Yeah,
Are you saying
but
that?
it does not hold for offshore vessels. What you're saying might work for the 5-star hotel, because although you're going into the casino, one area is for the kids and one kid zone, creche, everything they've got. And the gaming area on those licenses is very clearly mentioned, so many square meters is the gaming area. But offshore vessels don't have anything. And their rates are not, for offshore vessels, the rates are not per section.
And the license is not given based on square meter,
Yeah.
it is based on the capacity, the
Capacity
number of people
for
allowed on the
vessels.
vessel.
So for offshore licenses, the vessels are, the categories are by capacity.
Madam, now you said it's an offshore casino.
Yes.
So offshore casino should be anchored on the one place, or it should move in the river.
Definition of offshore is 12 nautical miles from the baseline outside the inland waters. Now that matter is still in court. It's still being decided. But actually, it should all be outside.
It should not be anchored at
Rivers
one
don't
place.
have a shore.
Already breaking the law.
Talk about the territorial.
Yes.
Yeah. So the Goa Gambling Act clearly says that it should be within the territorial waters. Territorial waters means sea waters. It's not. It's different from river water and inland water.
So if they don't have kids zone and all, how will the parents who are traveling, who are tourists, who want to visit?
You should not be going to casinos with your kids.
We make alternate arrangements outside the casino. We don't even want people to go to
If
the
you find that there's an establishment which has prostitutes or which is actively giving your alcohol to teenagers, and all, would you take a child there? How is this any different? How is gambling any different from prostitution, alcohol, and all of these other vices and addictions? You would not take a child there.
The problem is that we have normalized casino gambling. That's why you're asking this question also. Would you take a child into a prostitute's brothel? Still, we have not normalized prostitution, but we have normalized casinos. People are saying, "Hey, how can't tourists go without their children? You're not supposed to go to a casino." Do we encourage our children to gamble? But now here there are photographs of them standing at the table, at the gambling table.
न्ही आज तुम्ही जाणा सगळे की कॅसिनोचेर गोंयकार अलाउड ना. हो कायदो आसा ते सगळ्या जाणांनी. कित्याक अलाउड ना? गोंयकारांक जुगार खेळपाक येना म्हणून अलाउड ना, काय गोंयकारा कडेन पयशे ना म्हणून अलाउड ना. The reason Goans are not allowed on the casinos is because gambling is an addiction, just like cigarettes, alcohol, drugs, whatever other vices. आणि त्या खातीर because you are so close to the casinos, so you should not get addicted. The whole logic is that Goans should not be allowed because they are close by. There is more chance of them addiction. So now adults entry is controlled. Adultanची entry is controlled by this law. So you can think about children. Children, you cannot even think about bringing them even close to casinos. आणि आज जे चल्ला ती अंधाधुंदी, complete free for all. Not only are children allowed on the casinos and not hiding or anything, तांकां चोरयां व्हरना भितर. There are, as you have seen, there are packages specially for kids. They are making casinos looks like a fun activity, like a kids activity. ह्या लेवलाचेर हे पाविल्ले आसा. And not only casino companies, the government of Goa also, तुम्ही जाणा, सांगता की we get revenue, but that revenue that they get, they are spending back on casinos to promote Goa as a gambling destination all over the world. हे सगळे जे ट्रॅव्हल मार्ट्स असता वेगळ्या वेगळ्या कंट्रीजांनी फॉरेन टुरिस्ट अट्रॅक्ट करपा खातीर गोंयान येयात आनी गॅमलिंग करात म्हणून हे करतात, आमचो पयसो स्पेंड करतात. सो दिस इज द लेवल टू वीच द गोवा गव्हर्मेंट हॅज फॉलन ऑर हॅज फेल्ड अशें म्हणटा. जशें सांगलें तुमकां पयलींच, it does not matter to the casino lobby whether there are laws in place or not. It does not matter to the casino lobby whether there is a government in place or not. They do whatever they want, and that is what we are fighting for here today, and we will continue this fight until this stops completely.
So we have,
The casino, the government is allowing casino to break the rules. You see about advertisement, it is illegal, but government has turned a blind eye. You see about the anchoring of boats. More than 90-meter boat cannot enter. government is allowing. There are no permissions given, but still you are allowing a replacement vessel from 70 passengers to 2,000 passengers to enter, which is like giving permission to 28 casinos
On the same license.
on the same license. So this is also illegal. Then if you such a big vessel, you are allowing them to moor in the river Mandovi. Already river Mandovi is congested, and it has not yet got license to run the casino, but you want to bring them in, allow them a parking space. It is like having a mega project in the river. Now how can you allow such illegalities? So here the government has to take a call and stop all these illegalities.
मॅडम तुम्ही पणजेकार अगेन्स्ट कसिनो म्हणटा पूण आमी पळयता की तशा तरेन पणजेकार तुमच्या वांगडा सपोर्टाक भायर सरनात. इवन आतां जर तुमी फाल्यां जर समजा मेगा रॅली जावं कित्याक उलो मारले पणजे भायले लोक चड जॉइन जाता, पणजेकार जॉइन जायना.
सगळे येतले.
हाजो रिजन कितें
No,
दिसता
no, they
तुमकां?
will come.
See,
They
this
are
is-
not given
see,
such a big
this
call
is
as yet.
This is a working day. Lots of people cannot come.
ना
This
पूण
is a
केन्नाय
press
तुमी
conference.
येता तेन्ना पणजेकार भायर सरून येना.
No, we've got a group with a lot of people there. Now we don't call them for every activity because this is a sort of a sort of a committee that is handling it. If you want 300-400 people to come for press conference, they will come, but it's no need.
कारण इवन CCP इलेक्शनाक हो पॉयंट घेतलो पयलीं आनी मागीर ते म्हणपाक लागले ना कसिनो आमचो प्रॉब्लेम न्हू पूण कसिनो लागून पणजे शहरान जाता तो
CCP
प्रॉब्लेम
election
म्हणून.
we
सो
were just starting, but now
so
we have got lots of
थंयसरूय
support.
चेंज जाले
Lots of
म्हणून.
We are
support
not
now.
taking part in the election.
We were not
No,
part
but-
of
We
the
did not stand
election.
in
हो तो इशू चेंज जालो म्हणून.
गायचे ते तांचे issue नाही.
Yeah. No, at that time when the CCP election was happening and Rohit had said that just a few people are there. We were just starting and we were not a few people. Zai Zalon Amni, we can bring
In
people.
Menezes
We can
Viganza
bring
Hall,
lots of people.
the
Yeah.
hall was full and
Yeah.
people were on the stairs and they had to go back.
And they told
I-
us next
I-
time
I
you'll
mean-
organize a function, please have a bigger hall because more people want to come. So not that
पूण
there are no
पणजेकार
people.
येतात तेका फंक्शन.
Of course.
Last time you saw it was
ना
full, they
चडशे
were on the
पणजे
stairs.
भायले लोक दिश्टी पडटा म्हणटा लायक इवन
त्या मिटिंगेक 80% पणजेकार असेल.
We don't have a problem about भायले लोक. कित्याक आमकां casino
सगळ्यांक
गोंयान नाका.
yeah.
गोंयान नाका.
But the
सगळे
issue
गोंयकारांक
here is not how many people, how big and quantity.
No, because they don't take you seriously
It's the-
then
no,
because
no,
you
it's the
come in
quality
small
of
numbers
the selection.
because they say every time because तुमच्या वांगडा कोण ना म्हणटा.
This is the
Do you
quality.
understand? आम्ही
This is the
No, but because
quality.
this is the point
No, no, no,
which
I'm
the
telling you.
people who are there on like governmentan आजो खंय ते म्हणटा तुमच्या वांगडा कोण
I
आहे.
think what he's saying is that they are using the name Ponjekars against
Hoy.
casino. No, तशें काय ना. You can think about it as a all Goa issue also.
See, the
आम्ही
name
फक्त-
was given at the time when we first made the complaint. Somebody told us a lawyer told us that you should have a name for your group. So because we were at that time only Panjim residents who were campaigning, we gave that name.
And it
we
was
have
because
support,
of the big boat
yeah,
coming
big
in.
boat coming.
एक मेन इशू आशिल्लो
So after
पयलीं,
that
ताच्या खातीर
now
पणजेकार
the name has stuck, but we've got support of all Goa, lots of people from,
both sides
Panjim,
of the river,
from yeah.
both river banks.
If I could just say one thing about they don't take you
Mahesh.
seriously. This is a law. So
Harish
the
is from
government
Race
has to take
Margot.
the law seriously. Even if one person makes that complaint, you understand? We shouldn't be 200 people pointing out the law. They should be implementing the law. It's their failure. So you should be asking them, not saying why don't we have 200 people.
No, whenever we ask them they